Welcome to Baku, Azerbaijan's vibrant capital, a city where ancient stone walls meet modern glass towers. Here, history and innovation blend seamlessly, creating a cityscape that's as dynamic as its people. But today, we're here for something even more exciting: the food. Baku's streets are alive with the sizzle of grills and the aroma of spices, drawing locals and travelers alike to its vibrant food stalls. Baku's street food scene is a whirlwind of energy and flavor, a true cultural adventure for your taste buds. Every corner offers a new discovery, from savory snacks to sweet treats, all served with a side of Azerbaijani hospitality. Azerbaijan is called the Land of Fire, and its cuisine is just as fiery and bold. The flames of the grill are a symbol of the country's spirit, passionate, warm, and always welcoming. Here, Turkish, Iranian, and Eastern European influences blend into something uniquely Azerbaijani. The result is a melting pot of flavors, where every bite tells a story of centuries-old traditions and cross-cultural exchange. Locals use fresh herbs, spices, and succulent meats. Think sizzling kebabs and delicate pastries dripping with honey. Every ingredient is chosen with care, reflecting the pride Azerbaijanis take in their culinary heritage. The real heart of Azerbaijani food? Right here on the streets. It's where families gather, friends meet, and strangers become part of the community over a shared meal. Forget fancy restaurants. The best bites are found in bustling markets and lively laneways. These are the places where the city's true flavors come alive, and every meal is an experience. Vendors are masters, perfecting recipes passed down for generations. Their hands move with practiced skill, turning simple ingredients into unforgettable dishes. The air is thick with the aroma of grilled meats and sweet pastries. It's a sensory feast that draws you in, promising something delicious at every turn. So join us as we dive into Baku's iconic street foods and meet the passionate people behind them. Their stories are as rich and flavorful as the dishes they create. This isn't just a food tour, it's a journey into the soul of Azerbaijan. Every bite connects you to the land, the people, and the centuries of tradition that shape this city. Get ready to be hungry because what you're about to see is a true celebration of flavor. From the first taste to the last, Baku's street food will leave you craving more. Let's hit the streets and eat. There's a world of taste waiting to be discovered, and every step brings a new delight. Camera pans over Baku's skyline and busy food stalls. Our adventure begins now. The flavors of Baku are calling. Let's answer with an appetite. We're standing at the grand entrance to Ikirishehir, Baku's old city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's been the beating heart of Azerbaijan for centuries. This is where ancient history and vibrant modern life blend together in the most fascinating way. Inside these ancient fortress walls, narrow cobblestone streets wind through centuries of history, echoing with stories of traders, poets, and everyday people who once called this place home. And today, I'm joined by Liam, a fellow food lover from Australia, who's just as excited as I am to explore the flavors of this incredible city.
G'day, Chloe. It's fantastic to be here. I've been dreaming of Azerbaijani street food for ages, and I can't wait to see what surprises you have in store for me.
You picked the perfect place, Liam. Our first mission, tracking down a local favorite, savory pancakes made fresh on the street, known here as kutab. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Vendors here are true artists, rolling dough paper thin and filling it with all sorts of deliciousness, herbs, cheese, or even tender minced meat. Each kutab is a little masterpiece made right before your eyes. It's the perfect snack to kick off our day, warm, crispy, and bursting with flavor. Let's wander these historic streets, following the scent of fresh food and soaking in the atmosphere of this living museum. Every corner tells a story, from Silk Road caravanserais where merchants once rested, to the iconic Maiden Tower that has watched over Baku for centuries. And the smells? That's how you know you're heading in the right direction. Aromatic steam rising from sizzling grills, spices drifting through the air. We're letting our noses lead us to the best local eats, discovering hidden gems tucked away in these winding alleys. Ready for your first taste of Azerbaijani street food, Liam? This is just the beginning of our culinary adventure.
Absolutely. Let's do this. I can already tell this is going to be unforgettable. They head into the bustling old city, ready to taste, explore, and make memories in the heart of Baku.
Take it all in, Liam. The energy here is electric. The sounds, laughter, vendors calling out, the sizzle of meat on the grill, dough slapped onto hot surfaces. The smells, smoky kebabs, fresh tandoor bread, and a swirl of sumac, saffron, and herbs. It's a sensory overload that makes you instantly hungry. Look around. Families sharing snacks, friends gathered over plates, vendors moving with practiced skill. There's a real sense of community. Food here brings people together. This is what makes street food culture so special. It's about more than just taste. You're not just a customer. You're part of a living tradition. The passion, the history, the energy, it's all right here. This is the true heart of Azerbaijani hospitality. Camera captures the vibrant street life and food stalls.
It's incredible, every sense is alive.
And we're just getting started. Let's eat. Here we are, our first food stop. Kutab, one of Azerbaijan's most beloved street foods. Watch this master at work, rolling dough so thin it's almost translucent, then filling it with either minced lamb or a vibrant mix of fresh herbs and greens.
She's so fast. I want to try both, the greens first, then the meat. It's hard to choose when everything looks this good.
Great choice. The green one, goy kutabi, is packed with spinach, dill, cilantro, parsley, and sometimes a hint of tangy sorrel for extra brightness. It's cooked on a convex griddle called a saj, then brushed with rich melted butter and sprinkled with tangy sumac, which gives it a beautiful colour and a citrusy kick. Here you go. Careful, it's hot. The aroma is incredible. You can really smell the fresh herbs and butter.
First bite, wow. The dough is light and crispy. The herbs are so fresh and the sumac gives it a zing. It's so much more flavorful than I expected. It's simple but bursting with flavor. Every bite is a mix of textures and tastes. Now for the lamb. Juicy, rich, and perfectly spiced. The meat is tender and the spices are just right. Not overpowering but so satisfying.
Kutab is the ultimate street snack. Light, flavorful, and totally addictive. It's the kind of food you crave again and again.
I could eat these all day. Seriously, I don't think I'll ever get tired of them.
That's the spirit. Let's see what's next on our food adventure. There's so much more to discover in Baku's vibrant markets. Camera shows kutab sizzling on the saj, the sound making your mouth water.
This is a brilliant start, Chloe. I can't wait to see what else we'll try.
And there's so much more to taste. The market is full of surprises and local favorites. They move on, excited for the next dish. The energy here is contagious. Next stop, the king of kebabs. Get ready for another Azerbaijani classic. They walk toward the kebab stand, anticipation building with every step. Let's go. S1, Media Group. Friends excitedly walking through Azerbaijani street food market. Group approaching food stall outdoors. Azerbaijan at its stock at it distribute _equally. Lead the way! Time for the main event, the Yulia kebab, a true Azerbaijani classic. Minced lamb or beef mixed with onions and spices is hand-shaped onto skewers by a kebab master, or usta. The kebabs are grilled over hot coals, the fat dripping and creating that irresistible smoky aroma.
The smell is unreal.
The kebab is served wrapped in soft lavash with raw onions, sumac, and fresh herbs. Here you go, Liam. Take a big bite.
That's incredible. The meat is juicy, smoky, and so tender.
Yulia kebab is more than food. It's a symbol of hospitality and celebration.
I get it now. This is the king of kebabs.
It's a dish meant to be shared, enjoyed with friends and family.
I'll never forget this flavor.
That's the magic of Azerbaijani street food. Camera lingers on the sizzling grill and happy faces.
What's next?
Time for something sweet. The result? A golden, fragrant, and incredibly sweet treat. These layers are filled with spiced hazelnuts or walnuts, then baked and soaked in saffron-infused syrup. Unlike Turkish or Greek baklava, sheki pakhlava uses rice flour to create delicate, net-like layers called rishta. For dessert, we've traveled to Sheki, nestled in the Caucasus foothills, to try its famous pakhlava.
It looks amazing, like edible lace.
Each piece is rich, so a little goes a long way.
The texture is so unique, crisp, nutty, and syrupy.
This dessert is a proud tradition, dating back to Silk Road days.
I can taste the history in every bite.
Sheki pakhlava is a must-try for anyone visiting Azerbaijan.
I'm glad we made the trip.
Ready for one more sweet?
Always.
Back in Baku, it's time for shakabura, a delicate crescent-shaped pastry. Popular during Novruz, but available year-round, shakabura is filled with ground nuts, sugar, and fragrant cardamom. The pastry is soft and tender, decorated by hand with intricate wheat ear patterns using special tweezers.
It's almost too pretty to eat.
Every shakabura is a tiny work of art, symbolizing abundance and prosperity.
The pastry melts in your mouth and the filling is sweet and aromatic.
It's the perfect companion to a cup of Azerbaijani black tea.
I love the gentle sweetness and the cardamom.
Shakabura is tradition, artistry, and flavor in every bite.
Azerbaijan's sweets are next level.
And that's just a taste of what this country has to offer.
I'm officially hooked.
Let's wrap up our journey. Liam, our street food adventure is almost over. We've tasted Baku's best and Sheki's sweetest. What's your impression of Azerbaijani food culture?
Chloe, it's been incredible. The passion, the freshness, the hospitality, everything exceeded my expectations.
If you had to pick one dish to dream about back in Australia, what would it be?
That's tough, but the liulia kebab wins for me. The smoky flavor, the juicy meat, the whole experience. It's unforgettable.
A classic choice. The kebab truly captures the spirit of Azerbaijani cuisine.
Every dish was amazing, but that kebab, wow.
That's what makes food travel so special. The memories linger long after the last bite.
I'll be telling everyone back home about this.
And we hope our viewers are inspired to try it for themselves.
They should. Azerbaijan is a food lover's dream.
Thanks for joining me, Liam.
Thank you, Chloe. It's been unforgettable.
Let's invite everyone to taste Azerbaijan. You heard it. Azerbaijan belongs on every food lover's list. From Baku's bustling streets to Sheki's sweet traditions, there's a delicious discovery around every corner. Come with an open mind and an empty stomach, and you'll be amazed by the warmth and hospitality here.
I'm already planning my next trip back.
We hope you're feeling inspired and hungry. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep eating. From beautiful Baku, farewell for now.
Happy travels and even happier eating.
See you on the road for the next delicious bite. Fade out with shots of Baku's food stalls and smiling faces.